these are the elements for the choice ways of assessments of learning, except letter A, learning styles of students, letter B, instructional objectives, letter C, nature of the lesson topics, or letter D, logistical support. And of course, tumpak na choice here is letter D, except, no? So, hindi po siya. Ibig sabihin dito, no, sa ating pong number 11, sa number 11 po natin, siya yung hindi natin kino-consider. Siya yung hindi natin masyadong pinag-iisipan, no, whenever we make assessments. Okay, of course, we think about the learning styles of our students, the objectives, di ba? Napaka-importante kasi po yung assessment natin at objectives dapat magkahimig, kumbaga, di ba? Cohesive. Nature of lesson topics, of course, pinag-iisipan niya, no? But logistical support, sino magdadala ng test paper, di ba? Paano ko dadalhin yung test paper? Paano ko siya ihahanda? Paano ko siya ipiprint? Paano ko siya isi-save, no? Kumbaga, outside na siya sa pinaka mga kino-consider natin whenever we make our tests.